I'm gonna be doing a succubus transformation, I guess. So I'm gonna start with the makeup and then move on to the outfit. And yeah, I'm just kind of winging this with stuff I already have. So I don't know if this is gonna be great to like follow along to for like if you're trying to make your own costume, but I needed content, so yeah, let's get started on the makeup. I'm gonna be doing like a really heavy dark makeup to start, and then the outfit is really, really cute. I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get started. So I always start with my eyebrows because I don't do any like base, foundation, concealer, any of that stuff. So eyebrows. I have naturally very thick eyebrows, but I'm kind of wanting to do like a thinner vibe for this, just to like have that kind of like evil, intense look. So we'll see how that turns out. I can't promise it's gonna turn out well, but we'll see. Okay, so I just added a little bit of color and shaping to that eyebrow. I know it doesn't look good yet, but I'm gonna go in with like some concealer just on the eyebrow to hopefully make it look a little bit thinner and intense. Okay, here's the start of the eyebrows. I kind of look a little bit like a maniac right now. So let's see what I can do to kind of conceal them and just give them more of a shape, I guess. Okay, I have no idea how this is gonna go. We'll see. Okay, I kind of love that shape. I'm not very good at makeup, so I really don't know what I'm doing. So if you are good at makeup, don't judge me. I'm just winging it. Self-taught. I think I did that one a little bit too thin, but we'll see if I can fix that. It still doesn't look horrible. It is kind of the vibe I was going for, so yeah. Let's try and blend this out, I guess. Okay, I've blended this out a little bit. I'm gonna have to go back to this one and kind of fill it in again a little bit, just because it's a little janky compared to this one. This one looks pretty good, this one's a little janky, so I don't know. Okay, that would definitely blend better if I had like face makeup on, but I don't even know how to do that stuff. I don't ever want to know how to do that stuff, so I'm just gonna trust that if you're following this as a tutorial, you're gonna look a lot better than I do. Now, hopefully I can make this one like a little bit better shaped without ruining it now. I don't know. Good enough, all right. So now I think I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. I just plan on doing like a really dark base eyeshadow. I don't know. I don't know any of these makeup terms. I just plan on putting dark eyeshadow on my eyelids, and that's about it. I actually have this weird little stick thing, and I'm just gonna like smear it all over and then probably blend it out with my finger. Very, very good quality makeup tutorial. Oh, that's hot. That looks actually insane. Okay. So that's a start, that's something. I'm also just gonna use a little bit of like black powder because that one's really like sticky and like oily almost, and it's kind of gross. So if I put powder on top of it, it'll make it better. I promise I'm gonna go back and clean all this up. So that's that. I am gonna just try and clean that up a little bit. And this is why I don't do like the face makeup, is because I just scrub the crap out of my face and do makeup the most messy way possible. that's not the worst. This one is, but that one turned out okay. Good enough. I know it's not like perfect, but I am gonna go in with eyeliner and eyelashes, and then you won't even see it, so with the eyeliner, I'm gonna do a massive wing. All right, and I'm probably not gonna be able to match how that looks on this side, and then they'll all just be a mess, but that's okay. We're gonna just trust the process. Whatever this process is, I don't know. Okay, so not exactly the same, but close enough. Like I said, I still plan on adding eyelashes, so hopefully that just hides everything. So these are magnetic eyelashes. They're by Glamnetics, and this is Bombshell. And they also come with this like magnetic eyeliner, so they're super easy to use. I did my eyeliner first just because I don't want to make the entire wing magnetic. I'm just going to do a little bit on the base. This eyeliner is like really, really hard to get off, so just keep that in mind if you end up using it. Okay, so that's the first one. These ones are pretty intense, but they stay on really, really well. Let's get the second eye going. And now you kind of see what I mean about when I was saying I'm gonna add eyelashes so you can't see anything else. Perfect, that's how I wanted it to be. Okay, so that's that. That's the eye stuff done. I think I'm just gonna add a ton of highlighter and then do the lips, and that's gonna be it for the makeup. I love the magnetic lashes because it's just so easy. I'm so horrible at dealing with all the glue and everything like that, so this was a great alternative for me. So I'm just gonna go in with a super white highlighter. And if you can do like contour and stuff like that, you could give yourself some really like intense cheekbones and like cool stuff like that, but I am not that talented, so I'm not doing that. I actually think I'm gonna add a black waterline as well. I think that'll just really tie this look together. Yeah, that's pretty intense. I actually look pretty good like this. I don't know why I don't do my makeup like this more often. Okay, but I'm gonna do lips now. Okay, so first I just went in with red to make my lips bigger, and then I think I'm gonna, I don't know, probably use like just solid black as well, but for this look I do want to have like a really dark red lip. And I also am gonna point my lips slightly up at the top there to make them seem really intense. Okay, we'll see how this turns out. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. I've had it for so long, but I never use it because it's so dark. Okay, we're definitely off to a good start. I like to go in with just a little bit of like a black powder just to really set it. And then I just went in with a little bit of black and added a little bit of highlight or shadow or whatever, outline. And that is it for the makeup. So let's go get the outfit on. I think I look really good, actually. I'm pretty impressed with how that turned out. My hair, I'm just going to take it out of this ponytail and just have it down. You could definitely do something better with your hair for this outfit, but I'm not that creative with hairstyles. But yeah. I think if I had black hair, this would be even better, but we'll work with what we got. Okay, so now it's time to do the outfit. I've got a jumpsuit, and I've got wings, and I've got boots, and I've got jewelry, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy. You could definitely get super creative with whatever you wear for this outfit. Honestly, if you had horns or something, that'd be super cool. But like I said, working with what I got. So I'm gonna get that on for you guys. Okay, I have the jumpsuit on. It's a little bit too big for me, so it's kind of baggy in some places, but it's super cute and was actually the main inspiration for this costume idea. And I just happened to have the wings, so yeah, that's where this idea came from. Here's the jumpsuit. So I'm gonna add some of the accessories, the boots. They all really tie this together because as is, it's kind of boring. So I'm gonna get the boots on first, actually. Bam. Okay, so there we have it, thigh-high boots. I think they really just add a little something to this outfit, really tie it together. So now I'm gonna put on some jewelry and the wings, and then I'm done pretty much. Okay, so honestly, I wasn't completely sure what to do for accessories, but I have some rings on. I've got this little choker. It's got a little heart on it. It's kind of cute. I've got these dangly earrings, and then I added this chain belt. It's actually a necklace, but I was like, adding it as a belt would be better so you can still see this detail. And then there's a bat. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bat. Isn't that so cute? I thought that was such a cute little detail. And then the last thing is just the wings, and that's kind of what makes this outfit a succubus, is the wings. Otherwise, I'm just like a goth, person. I'm just a goth person then without the wings. But yeah, so here they are. I'm pretty sure these are meant for a child, but it's all I had, so it's fine. And here's the costume. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you liked this costume. Hopefully it was easy to follow along with if that was your intended purpose of watching. I had a lot of fun throwing it together, so thanks for watching. See you in your dreams.